Bitcoin surging above $44,000 for the first time since April of 2022. Trading platform Robinhood disclosing this week that its crypto trading volume up 75% from October to November. Joining us right now on the set, no less, and we're seeing him here in person. We haven't seen him in a couple of years in person like this. Robinhood co-founder and CEO Vlad Tenev. Good morning to you.
Thanks for having me, guys. It's good to be here live.
We want to talk about so many different things, about the markets, about stocks.
RSI, Relative Strength Index, it's a momentum indicator. It shows you bull markets, bear markets, greed, fear. You could say it shows you the human emotion, and that will not go away. There will always be greed, there will always be fear.
Off air, we were talking about sort of what's going on with crypto, what you're seeing. I mean, it's been a huge move, but it's also in terms of just straight volume, it's a huge situation. What do you think is happening?
I think there's a couple of things. I think a lot of people have forgotten that Robinhood is a major player in the cryptocurrency industry. We do a lot of things. We've obviously done a lot with retirement. We've rolled out 24-hour market for equities. But along this time, we've had a crypto team that's been innovating, that's been building stuff. And our approach with crypto is to make it very clear to customers that they're getting a great deal on their crypto in Robinhood. And so we've done a lot of work clarifying how good our spread is, communicating that to customers. And we've seen our market share grow. And I think that now you're starting to notice it as the overall market is growing. And I think we can talk about what's driving that. There's a lot of theories out there. Nobody knows for sure because this is a decentralized asset, but there's optimism around an ETF.
Right.
There's optimism around the rate environment changing, the Fed stopping the aggressive rate hikes that they've been doing. Right. And there's also this idea that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are an inflation hedge.
How tied do you think your own value, the value of your business, the earnings of your business are to crypto? I ask because you can see the stock moves as crypto has moved. By the way, Coinbase obviously has really moved as a function of crypto. So how big a component part of your business ultimately is the crypto piece?
Well, our business is much more diversified than sort of the pure crypto companies. So I think we benefit from the crypto markets going up, but also there's certain things that Robinhood has that crypto companies that are only doing crypto don't. One example is 24-hour market, and we added over 100 new symbols. We're up to over 200 now. And you saw this last Sunday when Bitcoin crossed 40,000. The Twitter was, or X, I should say, flooded with Robinhood screenshots because people wanted to compare what's happening with Bitcoin to what's happening with the crypto and blockchain stocks. And Robinhood became the first and really the only place where you can actually not just see overnight trading of these equities, but actually transact in them. So our screenshot share was quite high. And I think that shows the platform, the power of the platform that we're building. You can do crypto and stocks in the same place.
What percentage of your customers are buying individual names and or crypto versus buying either ETFs or mutual funds or investing in a more staid way, if you will?
Yeah, well, we publish this stuff. I'm sure you all have seen the Robinhood Investor Index, where we can track how our customers are doing. We also publish lists of the 100 most popular stocks and investments. We have shared in the past that Bitcoin is actually the most popular recurring investment. So customers that are dollar cost averaging are choosing Bitcoin as a part of their portfolio.
So you see the bull markets, 2013, 2017, 21. And you see the bear market, and we're just recovering from the latest bear market in 2022 and part of 23. Going towards the next bull market, in my opinion. And again, here the color overlay is the months until the next halving. So the halvings are where the blue dot turns into the red dot. here at 70, RSI 70. Here it's at RSI 65, and here it's at 55. So historically, the halvings are in this range between 55 and 70 RSI. And mind you, everything above 50 is uptrend. So it means that we will, if that happens again, which is what I assume, we will rise, not like in a full-fledged bull market, but we'll rise slowly towards the next red dot, the next halving. And so that's very interesting to see for the next couple of months.